Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the dock model and service tag, so you fetch the correct firmware. This prevents mismatched updates. Once done, make sure the host laptop is charged to at least 20% and connect the dock to the primary USB-C or Thunderbolt port. Next, download the Dell dock firmware utility that matches your model. The utility contains both the firmware and the installer. Start the utility as an administrator so it can detect the dock and prepare the firmware stage automatically. You now run the firmware utility as an administrator so it can access device firmware components. When it scans, select the detected dock and follow prompts. Choose to backup settings if the option appears because it preserves custom profiles. Start the transfer and monitor progress closely. Firmware flashes in stages, and the utility will display % complete. If the host reboots, let it finish. Don't interrupt the connection. Monitoring prevents bricking and ensures the dock restarts with the new firmware intact. Once the flash finishes and the dock or host reboots, check the firmware version in Device Manager or the dock utility to confirm success. Then reconnect monitors, Ethernet, and USB devices to validate functionality. Test video outputs and network connectivity. If something isn't right, make sure drivers on the host are current and retry the update using a different USB-C/Thunderbolt port or cable. A key troubleshooting tip: if the update failed mid-flash, use the Dell Recovery or Emergency Firmware tool to restore the dock firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.